What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Ruddy Duck channel. It's been quite a few months since we've been sailing. Winter's been pretty rough here in North Idaho, and the ramps and roads to get here just got uniced, and all the snow's finally melted off. It's the 2nd of March, and we are ready to start the season off strong. So we thought we'd come out here, do a day sail. We're on Lake Coeur. We launched right at the resort there, and this is actually our first time sailing here. It's kind of an urban area, so it's not really a spot that we would normally cruise, but for a day sail I think it's going to be fun to explore and see all the sights. So that's what we're going to do. We thought we'd bring you along, kind of show you what it looks like to do a day sail for us, how much time's involved, all the setup, is it worth it, that sort of thing. So let's hoist some sails and start our adventure. Well, we got all the sails set up. It took us a little bit longer than usual. This is our first time kind of setting up for the year, so making sure everything is where it's supposed to be and how it's supposed to be ran. But we're all good to go now, and we're gonna probably sail around the corner over towards the golf course. There's a pretty famous floating green over there, so we'll go check that out and go from there. See what sights we can see. We're gonna probably sail for 4 or 5 hours. We had to buy a parking pass at the main launch there, and it was quite spendy, so we have a time limit on how long we want to stay, but we'll probably sail for around 4 hours, 3 or 4 hours, and then head back. So we'll see you around the corner. Well, it feels really good to be sailing again and being back out on the water. We pretty much have the lake all to ourselves because it's very, very early spring, or more likely late winter. The massive crowds that are usually on Lake Coeur aren't out here, so it'd be my recommendation if you want to come cruise this lake. Pick a fringe season, and you'll have the place all to yourself. And it is a beautiful lake. I'm enjoying it so far. How's the sailing out here on Coeur d'Alene?
It's pretty good. We got like 6 to 8 knots of wind. It's a beautiful sunny day. It's pretty warm. Nobody on the lake.
Yeah, it's Beautiful. How warm do you think it is? You say warm.
Like 60.
No, I don't think so.
40.
Maybe. I don't know. Let's check the weather. What is your bet? 60?
45.
40. Oh, you're changing quite a bit.
Yeah, well, 45.
Okay. I think it's 52. All right, I'm gonna check right now.
Okay.
We have been sailing in close proximity to one of our favorite local spots called Tubbs Hill. Tubbs Hill features miles of beautiful trails and great access for swimming and cliff diving. For sailors, it may be possible to land on one of the few gravelly beaches, but most of the shoreline is surrounded by large rock. To the east of Tubbs Hill is Coeur Golf Course, with its world-famous floating green. This island is movable and offers golfers quite a challenge. We found the wind line. Had to motor out a little bit, and yeah, a little bit of wind out here. It's kind of variable today. We'll be having like going from 8 to maybe 1 or 2, kind of up and down. So lots of variation, but it's still a beautiful day. We just swung by the floating green and checked that out. Like a pretty cool spot. All kinds of golf balls in the water there. On the bottom, you can just see them littered. But we're gonna head over, kind of across the lake, sailing directly south, and gonna check out maybe a marina over there. Looks like there's a lot of sailboats I can see right now, so we'll sail over there and see what's over there. Sailing farther south, we get a good view of the Veterans Memorial Centennial Bridge. Having crossed this bridge hundreds of times, I always look out and dream of being on the beautiful waters below. Today, those dreams become reality. Overall, we really enjoyed our day on the water. As always, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and in the comments below, feel free to share your favorite day sailing locations.